All right, you eco-minded motherfuckers, grab a beer, crack one open, and let's dive headfirst into some serious shit today.
Hell yeah.
We're talking about China's Great Green Wall.
It's a hell of a thing.
That's what she said.
Oh my God.
And we're going to figure out if it's a load of communist bullshit or a goddamn stroke of genius.
It's pretty wild.
You got that right?
Yeah.
We've got trusty old Wikipedia here to guide us through this ecological clusterfuck.
Your favorite.
So buckle up and get ready for some knowledge bombs.
The scale of this thing is just bonkers.
Bonkers is an understatement.
We're talking 4,500 kilometers of trees.
Jesus.
Stretching from New York to fucking LA.
Seriously.
It's like they're trying to build a wall out of goddamn toothpicks.
Ambitious bastards.
You can say that again.
So China's been wrestling with this pissed-off sandy bitch called the Gobi Desert for ages.
For centuries.
This massive fucker's been gobbling up their land, screwing up their farms, and spitting out those insane dust storms we see on the news.
Every damn year.
Makes you wonder why anyone would live there. The Great Green Wall is their way of saying, fuck you, desert. We're planting trees, bitches.
And not just a few trees. We're talking millions upon millions of them.
So they decided to plant a shitload of trees, and I mean a literal mountain of the goddamn things, to create the largest man-made forest on the planet.
It's insane.
And get this, they've actually managed to increase forest cover from a measly 12% to a slightly less pathetic 18% as of 2009.
Which on paper sounds impressive.
Yeah, on paper.
But not everyone's convinced this is the best way to deal with desertification.
What are they, a bunch of goddamn hippies?
Some experts think it's just a Band-Aid solution.
Like putting a tiny Band-Aid on a gaping wound.
Exactly. It doesn't address the root causes of the problem.
So what are they saying? We should just let the desert keep swallowing up the land?
No, but planting trees in arid regions can actually make water scarcity worse.
So it's like sucking up all the water with a giant straw.
Pretty much leaving everything else parched as hell.
And then there's the whole issue of biodiversity.
They're basically creating a monoculture by planting the same type of trees everywhere.
Monoculture is just asking for trouble, right?
It's a recipe for disaster.
Like that time back in 2000 when a billion, yes, a fucking billion poplar trees got wiped out by a single disease.
That was a major ecological fuck up.
Mother Nature doesn't give a damn about our best laid plans.
Nope. She does her own thing.
And here's the real kicker. Even if they manage to plant all the trees they planned, it'll still take them another 300 years to reclaim the land the desert's already swallowed up.
Yeah, it's a long game for sure.
That's like trying to clean up a massive oil spill with a fucking teaspoon.
I like that analogy.
So we've got this massive, ambitious as fuck project, but it seems like it's riddled with potential downsides.
It's complicated.
Is this a victory for the environment, or are we witnessing a slow-motion ecological train wreck?
I guess that's what we're trying to figure out.
Let's get another beer and keep digging.
It is complicated, but amidst all this chaos, there are some bright spots. You know, some individuals who are making a real difference out there. Like, remember Yin Yuzhen, that badass grandma who spent her life planting trees in the Uxin banner?
Oh yeah, that old lady was a legend, turning a wasteland into a forest, one goddamn sapling at a time. Talk about dedication.
Right. Even Xi Jinping gave her a shout-out, praising her as a symbol of China's commitment to the environment.
Maybe we need a badass tree-planting grandma over here in the U.S., someone to kick those politicians in the ass and actually get some shit done. What do you think?
I think, setting aside the political grandmas for a second, there are some legit positive outcomes from this Great Green Wall project.
Oh, really? Don't tell me those trees are actually pulling their weight.
Believe it or not, they are. The 3 North Shelter Forest Program, that's the official name, has actually shifted the economic model in the Gobi region. They're moving away from unsustainable farming and embracing eco-friendly industries like tourism, fruit production, forestry.
So they're swapping shitty farms for fancy fruit baskets and tourist traps.
Yeah.
It's not exactly saving the planet, is it?
Hold on there. Recent studies from NOAA and the BBC show that the increased forest cover is actually helping absorb a significant amount of carbon dioxide.
So those leafy bastards are doing their part to fight climate change after all.
Looks like it less CO2, more fruit baskets, and fewer dust storms. Maybe the green wall is actually winning.
Maybe. But I'm still skeptical. What about those water issues you mentioned earlier? Are those trees sucking the desert dry?
Well, some experts like Hong Jiang from the University of Wisconsin worry about that. They're concerned that the trees are guzzling up precious groundwater, which is already scarce in those regions.
It's like they invited a bunch of thirsty-ass trees to a desert party, and they're hogging all the goddamn water, leaving everyone else parched as hell.
And then there's the whole monoculture issue. Again, planting the same type of trees everywhere makes them vulnerable to diseases, which can wipe out entire sections of the forest in no time.
Yeah, like that billion poplar tree massacre back in 2000. A stark reminder that Mother Nature can be a real bitch when we mess with her.
Exactly. A diverse ecosystem is much more resilient, like a well-balanced portfolio. It can handle shocks and setbacks. Monoculture is like betting all your money on one stock, and we all know how that usually ends.
So what's the verdict? Is the Great Green Wall a stroke of genius or just another environmental clusterfuck?
It's more complicated than a simple yes or no. It has its successes and its failures. It's probably too early to say definitively which side will ultimately prevail.
So basically, we're all screwed either way.
Not necessarily. There are valuable lessons to be learned from the Great Green Wall. It shows us that tackling large-scale environmental problems requires a nuanced approach, considering both the short-term benefits and the long-term ecological consequences. It's about finding the balance between ambition and sustainability.
All right, no clear winners or losers in this fight, but hey, at least the Chinese are trying to do something about their desert problem, even if they're making it up as they go along. Better than sitting on their asses and bitching about it.
And that brings us to a crucial point. What can we learn from this massive experiment? How can we apply these lessons to other environmental challenges around the world?
You're asking the big questions now, Doc. What the hell are we supposed to do with all this information? Should we be planting trees like crazy or focusing on other solutions?
Well, let's go back to the early 2000s when China was facing a lot of criticism for its top-down approach to the Great Green Wall. Critics like Alex Steffen argued that they weren't involving local communities or using technology effectively.
So it's just a bunch of bureaucrats in Beijing yelling, plant trees, plant more trees, without really thinking about the consequences. Classic top-down bullshit.
There was definitely a lack of nuance in the beginning, especially with China's pollution problems. They were basically trying to plant trees in soil that was already screwed.
Kind of like trying to grow a garden in a toxic waste dump. Not exactly a recipe for success.
But here's where it gets interesting. China seems to have learned from its mistakes. They've shifted focus to water conservation and choosing plant species better suited for arid environments.
So they're finally realizing you can't just bully nature into submission. Maybe there's hope for them yet.
They're recognizing the need for balance. They're also paying more attention to biodiversity, trying to create more resilient ecosystems. They're starting to see the bigger picture, the interconnectedness of it all.
It's like they're finally realizing that nature is a complex system, not just a giant sandbox where they can play God.
Precisely. The Great Green Wall is a work in progress, but it's a fascinating case study in ecological restoration.
So what's the final verdict? Is it a success or a failure?
It's too early to tell. It's a bold experiment with both positive and negative aspects. Its success depends on China's ability to adapt and learn from its mistakes. It's a reminder that we're all in this together, and we need to be willing to experiment, to learn, and to adapt if we want a fighting chance against climate change and ecological destruction.
All right, so we've covered the good, the bad, and the ugly of China's Great Green Wall. What's the bottom line for our listeners? Should we be cheering them on or calling them out for this whole tree planting frenzy?
Well, it's not a simple answer. Remember back in the early 2000s, there was a lot of criticism about China's top-down approach. Critics like Steffen pointed out, they weren't really involving local communities or using technology effectively to coordinate their efforts.
So basically, a bunch of bureaucrats in Beijing saying, plant trees, plant more trees, without thinking about the consequences.
There was a definite lack of nuance in those early stages, especially considering China's pollution problems. They were essentially trying to plant trees in soil that was already screwed.
Like trying to grow a garden in a toxic waste dump. Not exactly a recipe for success.
Right, but here's the interesting part. China seems to have learned from those mistakes. They've started focusing more on water conservation and choosing plant species that are actually suited for those arid environments.
So they're finally realizing you can't just force-feed a desert a bunch of trees and expect it to thrive. Maybe they're not as stubborn as we thought.
They're definitely starting to see the need for a more balanced approach, and they're paying more attention to biodiversity, trying to create those more resilient ecosystems.
It's like they're finally starting to understand that nature is a complex system, not just some giant sandbox where they can play God.
Exactly. The Great Green Wall is still very much a work in progress, but it's an interesting case study in the challenges and opportunities of ecological restoration.
So final verdict. Is the Great Green Wall a success or a failure?
I'd say it's too early to tell. It's a bold experiment with both positive and negative sides. Ultimately, its success will depend on China's ability to adapt and learn from its mistakes.
Well, there you have it, folks. The Great Green Wall of China. A monumental effort, a colossal gamble, and a big fat question mark hanging over its future.
It's a reminder that there are no easy answers when it comes to these environmental challenges. It takes vision, commitment, and a willingness to learn from our fuck-ups,
Yeah.
and maybe, just maybe, a shitload of trees.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into China's ambitious and often messy attempt to reshape nature. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and don't let the bastards grind you down.